Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand, the 3-compartment sinks. Let's take a look overall sizes first. For the units, length about like a 50 inches. And the overall height, they are about like a 43 inches tall. And depth of the units, it's about like a 19.5 inches deep. So as we can see, the units have 3 compartments, so we can take closer to see the both sizes. For these compartments, they're about like a 10 inches wide and 10 inches deep and 14 inches long. And also for the drain board, they have a design to making the water go through. And these drain boards, they are about like 8 inches wide. The two-hole diameters from center to center is about like 8 inches. Thank you for watching the videos. This is all information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.